Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects from your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I am going to freeze the frame. Then you can either do the remove one, but if you don't have CapCut Pro, you're just going to select mask, and you're going to go over to like a part that doesn't have anything on it, and it is bigger, like the space. Then you're going to want to place it on top of the item you want to remove. I'm just going to scale it down just a little. Whoops, let me just lock this one in place. And I am going to rotate it a little bit to fit it. Go back to mask and feather it out, but not too much. So just do around 3%. And that is how you can remove objects from your videos in CapCut PC. Super simple, right? That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.